Welcome back to Lone Star Grillz. Today, we'd like to introduce you to our latest innovation in outdoor cooking, our wood-fired pizza oven. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or just craving a cozy night in, this oven promises to elevate your culinary adventures to new heights. Once again, welcome back everyone. We really appreciate your support. Without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. Our Lone Star Grillz wood-fired pizza oven is the ultimate addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. And of course, it represents the same quality and attention to detail you've come to expect from us. It is crafted entirely from high-grade 304 stainless steel, weighs in at a solid 37 pounds, and offers a generous 18-inch square cooking surface to accommodate even the largest pizzas. You can choose between 1/4-inch steel or a 5/8 ceramic baking stone. It is designed for use on our pellet smoker. To use it, begin by opening the lid and removing both grates as well as the heat diverter. You can now get your oven in place by carefully inserting it into the cook chamber. Place it all the way on the right-hand side until it touches the grate rails. You'll feel it fall right into place. Then just get your baking stone in place and you're ready to go. To begin cooking, simply turn your grill on and allow it to go through a normal startup cycle with the lid closed. Once your fireboard display changes from starting to running, we recommend switching to manual mode. On the controller, press any one of the buttons on the left side, then press pellet, then press more, then press pellet mode, and now you can adjust the pellet feed rate. For normal baking, we recommend 50% or less. For pizzas, we recommend over 50%. There are some variables to this, but you can find your sweet spot over time. You can also convert to manual mode by using the app. Simply choose mode, then choose manual, type in your percentage, and hit set. Now we just want to allow the cooker to preheat. It can take up to 30 minutes to achieve maximum temperatures of 700 degrees surface area and up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit air temperature inside the oven. And always remember, environmental factors can have an effect on your preheat times, so it can be a little more or a little less. To check in on temperatures, we recommend an infrared thermometer. As you'll notice when using the oven, the lid thermometer and the internal probe temperature will read much differently. Once your oven is fully preheated to your desired temperature, it's time to start cooking. Pizzas will cook in just a few short minutes, so be sure to monitor your cooks closely. Remember that larger, thicker pizzas or pizzas with more toppings can take just a little bit longer. Now, just because it's called pizza oven doesn't mean it's only for pizzas. So use your foodie imagination and give some of your favorite dishes some clean, robust smoke flavor. Make sure you're subscribed because we've got plenty of recipe videos to come. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like information on this product or any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. See you on the next one.